Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Hunger Pangs with Simran, and today I'm going to show you all how to make apple pie puffs. Today I'll be showing you all how to make 3 variations to it, how to bake it, how to deep fry it and how to shallow fry it. So let's get started. So to make this delicious apple puff dough, we need 125 grams of atta or whole wheat flour, 125 grams of maida or all-purpose flour. Using atta and maida both makes this dough healthier. But if you wish, you could just use maida, some sugar, some baking powder, salt, chilled water and vegetable oil. And then to make the yummiest apple pie filling, we need 2 gala apples, some cinnamon powder, some nutmeg powder, 30 grams of butter, 6 tablespoons of brown sugar, some apple cider vinegar, or if you don't have this, you could use the juice of half a lemon and some salt. So let's start with the apples. I'm coring them so that all the seeds get removed at once. लेकिन हम जैसे normally apples को cut करते हैं उनके बीज निकालने के लिए आप वैसे भी कर सकते हैं. The ultimate goal is to remove all the seeds, that's it. And now we need to cut them into small pieces. Make sure कि ये बहुत छोटे ही cut हो, वरना filling के time आपका puff का जो dough है वो फट सकता है. And also I have not peeled them because this way they are more crispy and juicier also. So try and avoid peeling them and see how small I've cut them. Try cutting them that small. तो चलिए अब फिलिंग बनाना स्टार्ट करते हैं. आप मानेंगे नहीं ये कितना इजी है. I'm just gonna put everything together in the pan, cover it and just let it cook. So I've already added the apples in the pan and now I'll add in cinnamon powder. I'm putting in 1 tablespoon full because this will give an amazing aroma and I really like that. And then I'll add in 30 grams of butter, 6 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. This will prevent the sugar from crystallizing. But as I said earlier, if you don't have this, you could also use the juice of half a lemon. And then at last, हम add कर लेंगे a pinch of nutmeg powder. This is optional, but I would always suggest you to add this because I feel it gives a really nice kick to this filling. तो अब आप देख सकते हैं ये थोड़ा liquidy होना शुरू हो गया है. That's because the brown sugar has started melting. So इसलिए अब हम इसे ढक लेंगे और low to medium heat पे पका लेंगे जब तक कि ये apples थोड़े semi soft हो जाए और ये filling भी liquidy से dry हो जाए. तो जब तक एप्पल पाई की फिलिंग हम ढककर बना रहे हैं एक साइड पे, लेट्स स्टार्ट वर्किंग ऑन द डो ऑल्सो. मेकिंग दिस इज ऑल्सो extremely easy. In this atta and maida bowl, we'll add in half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of sugar and half a teaspoon of baking powder. And then in the end, we'll add in 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Just mix them roughly to bring everything together and then start adding in the water. Make sure it's chilled water. And guys, don't add in all the water at once because at this stage we don't know how much water the dough would finally require and we don't want it to become all runny and sticky by adding in a lot of water. So keep adding in little by little. All we need is the dough to come together. It should be slightly tight but not over kneaded. So this is done. देखिए how it looks. It's tight yet smooth. पानी भी मैंने पूरा कप नहीं यूज़ किया है, just as much as the dough needed. And then just cling wrap it and pop it into your fridge. Meanwhile, the apple filling will also be ready. Okay guys, now this apple filling is done. Have a look at it. It's dried up, but it's still moist and juicy, and that's what we need. Now I'm adding in some raisins. This is also optional. You could add in walnuts, raisins, whatever you like, or skip both out. तो मैंने इसे टेस्ट किया है. ये बहुत ज़्यादा टेस्टी है. But I feel I can add in a bit more of cinnamon powder just to increase the aroma. And then I'll just mix it and leave it aside to cool down. So now the dough is also ready. And now let's start making the final apple pie puff. तो सबसे पहले मैं इसे डिवाइड कर रही हूँ 2 पीसेस में. That way it will be easier to roll it, otherwise it will be a lot at once. And then I will sprinkle some all-purpose flour on the surface and I will roll this out. Try rolling out a rectangular shape out of it. So I'm also using a scraper in between just to maintain a rectangular shape. लेकिन अगर आपके पास ये नहीं है, that's not a problem at all. You could just use your rolling pin or बेलन. This is done. आप देख सकते हैं it's not too thick nor too thin. It's around 2 millimeters thick. And now I'll just cut off the excess untidy sides just to get a neat border and a proper rectangular shape. और फिर हम ये डो को वेस्ट नहीं करेंगे, just mix it with the other half and use it in the next round. And then we need to cut out strips for the puffs. These are 8 inches long and 1 inch broad. You could use a measurement of your preference for this, however you want your pocket puffs to look. Okay, now let's start filling these. Add in 2 teaspoons of this apple filling on one side of the strip. Spread it gently and make sure to leave at least half a centimeter gap on each side, because then we need to spread some water on the sides and seal the puff. So just fold it this way and then first seal it using your fingers and later using a fork. Don't forget to use some water to seal this because you don't want it to open up while frying or while baking. As you keep filling them and keeping them aside, make sure to place them on a flour dusted surface so that they don't stick to wherever you're keeping them. So now let's start making these beauties. We're making them 3 ways. So I've set the oven to preheat at 180 degrees Celsius. Meanwhile, I have also heated up the oil. So let's start by frying them. तेल ज़्यादा गरम नहीं है. Keep it on medium heat. And we need to fry them until they get a nice crunchy golden crust on the outside. तो चलिए ये अच्छे से हो गए हैं and they look divine you guys and they're gonna taste so yummy. चलिए now let's go on to the next option. Let's bake them. I have brushed the oven tray with some butter and placed the puffs on them. Now I'll just brush the puffs with some milk. This is just normal plain milk. This will help the puffs get a nice color on them. And then off these go into the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes until they have a nice golden color on them. Now let's move on to the third option. That's shallow frying them, or I would rather call it pan frying them. I have added 2 teaspoons of oil in the pan. And now I'll place the puffs on this. Make sure to keep the heat on low so that the crust of the puff is cooked thoroughly. Flip them, but not too many times. And we just need to let them cook till they get browned. तो ये हो गए हैं and they look great. These are such great alternatives for those of us who do not have an oven at home, or even for those of us who do not want to deep fry our apple puffs. It's delicious. Thank you for watching my video guys. That's it for today. Do try them out and do let me know in the comment section below which one of these is your favorite variant. And if you liked my recipe, don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and also hit the bell icon. See you next time.